Hey guys, Julie here. Today we're going to be making some Brazilian lemonade. So first things first, Brazilian lemonade is actually made with limes. We're not going to need any lemons. And we have 5 limes here. We're just going to cut those up. And I did wash these beforehand because we're going to be blending them with the rinds on them. So you're going to want to make sure that you clean them really well. I love lemonade and I normally make lemonade, but limes are one of my favorites as well. And then I put the blender in here. Okay, and we'll put 2 cups of ice water in here. And all of the cut up limes. And we're just gonna pulse it for about 15 seconds. All right. I have a little measuring cup here just so that I can pour it out when we're done. And I have my strainer. We'll just pour this mixture into the strainer. And you're just gonna have to take the lid off that. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out. I'm gonna try to press this down and get all of the juices out. It smells so good. And when you blend it, you don't want to blend it too much because you don't want too much bitterness from the rind. And when you make this, you're gonna wanna also drink it right away because otherwise it'll get bitter over time. Oh gosh, I almost spilled it. I would be so mad if I spilled all of this. Okay. Okay, I think we're good. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get any more juice out of that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and just pour this right back in here. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some sweetened condensed milk. Oh, it is thick. I'd have to scoop it out because it's so thick. And so sticky, but it tastes so good. I prefer to just take it straight out of the can, but I had to measure it, so here we are. Okay, that's good. Good enough for now. All right, and then we'll go ahead and mix this up until it's all nice and frothy. Okay, now we'll get to drink it. You want to make sure that it's super cold, so we're going to put some ice cubes in here. We'll just pour it in here. Add a little garnish. Oh, it's so good. It has a very similar taste to lemonade, but it has that tartness of the lime, so it's really good. The sweetened condensed milk, it adds that sugar, but it also adds that milky flavor, so it makes it really creamy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.